Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can customize the Linux Mint desktop, and we can use features such as the themes, we can use the applets, we can also customize the panel. So when it comes to the themes, to get to the themes, just go to the menu here and then search for themes here. And once you get here, there's this option here, advanced settings. What this one allows you to do is it allows you to add and remove themes, and also allows you to apply themes. Now if I click on add remove here, you can sort by date or by how popular the themes are, and then you can go through the list. If you find a theme you like, you can install it by clicking this right here. So for instance, once I click that, it's installed, and then you can go back to themes. Now if you want to apply a theme that is applicable to, say, the mouse, if you click here, you see the different options. You can just select the one you want, and you see the mouse changed here, the icon. For applications, you can also click this option, and you can see there is quite a few options here. So you just select the one you want, and as you can see, that one changed. And if you want to change the icons as well, you click on this and you can apply it. For the desktop, you also have different options. So you can see the one we downloaded is right here. You can select it, and if you go here, you'll see that it's applied. Okay, so that's how you can change the themes. Now there's the ones that are simplified, and some of the popular ones. You can go to this option, simplified settings. Here you have style. There's these three styles, Mint, Y, X, and L. You can pick one of them. And then here you see you have like the mixed, and then dark, light. Okay, you have the different options. For instance, I can select the dark option, and you can see my desktop is now dark, and then it's already applied. So that's a quick overview of how you can change your desktop using the themes. There is also the option to download new themes from Mint's website. Now you'll need to go to, let's open a browser here. You'll need to go to https://cinnamon spices.linuxmint.com, and here if you scroll down, you see you have themes, applets, disklets. If you go to themes, there's different options you can download. Now you'll need to download this. Once you download the theme, you'll need to extract it, and then you'll need to place it inside. Let me open the terminal here. You'll need to place it inside here. So there is this directory. So you'll see that the ones that I downloaded earlier are already placed here. So if you download anything from the website that's a theme, you'll need to extract it and place it in here for it to, in order for it to be available for you to install it and use it. Okay, that's all for themes. Let's go to the panels. So the panel right here, down here, we can customize it. We can add applets to it. We can also remove. So you can go to the you can right click on the panel here, and then you can say properties. You can change, for instance, the background. So if you wanted a different color, it changes it. Okay, so that's how you change the background. Okay, you can hide it, or you can have it expanded. You can change the size. Okay, let's see another option here. You can add a new panel, and then you'll need to select what you want to add to the panel. So for instance, if I scroll down, we can add this option. See, I can add another option here. I can add the search option, and I have a new panel. Now you can also go to the menu here and search for panel, and here you have the option to edit this panel. So if I click panel edit mode, so with the panel edit mode, what you're able to do is you can move your applets, you can reposition them if you wanted, and then you can adjust your panel height. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can say whether you want it to be in the center or left. So those are the different options, some of the options you have. Okay. Now the next thing we'll look at is the applets. If we search for applets here, what we can do is we can manage the applets that we have. Now every applet that has a check mark is enabled, like this ones. If you wanted to add an applet, you select it, and then you click the plus sign, so it's going to be added. And then you can also download new applets. You can come here and find some applets that you want to use. So once you find the applet you want to use, you click on this to install it. And then you go under manage, you find it, and then you select it and add it. Okay, and sometimes you might have to reboot your system after you make all these changes in order for all the changes to take effect. So those are some of the ways you can customize your desktop. There's many other ways. I just want to cover a few of the available ways. So I hope this video has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.